Alright everyone, this is how I made $1,800 trading the NASDAQ today. Alright, going into market open, I marked out London highs, London lows, Asian highs, Asian lows, and then I also marked out some hourly highs, which I can show you guys on the hourly. Right here, I marked out these hourly highs. Now, as a trader, I look for two types of trades: liquidity sweep or liquidity run. Now, during this trade, this is my hourly. My bias was actually very bearish on this chart. I wanted to see these lows get swept. Now, on the minute, this is what it looks like on the minute. Now, as a day trader, I don't really like to marry my bias, but I do like to start off looking at my bias, right? So, going into the market open, I'm going to play 1 minute, right? Boom. Giant bearish candle that goes straight to the downside. Now, automatically, I'm thinking in my brain, okay, maybe price could retrace back up and then go lower, right? But I'm going to look for some sort of confluence to help me. All right, so let's play more of price action. Boom, more bearish trend, right? Keep going bearish. Consolidation a little bit, right? Now, there is a fair value gap that was formed when the downtrend was happening, right? So let me mark that out. This is my FVG. This is my fair value gap. Now, depending on what price wants to do, if price rejected off this, it can go lower. If price broke straight through this, it can go even higher. So there's so many things that price can do in this scenario, but let's keep playing. Boom. Now this giant ass bearish candle starts to make me think, okay, maybe there could be some sort of downtrend, right? Off of just that, I was able to confirm in my mind that price was very bearish just off this candle. So let's play a little bit more. Okay, so during this spot, I actually ended up taking my trade. I ended up taking my trade like around here, and I put my stops up here. So if price ever reached above this, I'd be like, okay, this could change structure, right? And I put my TP at London lows. Now, let's see how this plays out. Boom. Ends up smashing my TP. And I was able to make $1,800 off of it. Alright, to recap, I took a liquidity run trade off of this FEG, confirmation off this rebalance. Honestly, a safer bet would have been to take this trade right here off this FEG that was formed, but I was very confident in this bearish trend already, and I had enough confluences in my brain to take this trade. And I took the trade right here and TP smash. So boom. There's my trade analysis, guys. Okay, to prove that I made $1,800, I'm going to show you guys. So this is my Top Step account. And basically, this is the trade I actually took. Smashed right here. Boom. Now, this is how much I made. And that's proof for you guys.